Here we go.
I'm going to show you how we train people how to do gold panning. That's the gold. And remember, gold is money and power. First of all, you need a pan. A pan, it can be anything. A bowl, a dish, a frisbee, whatever you like. But a good pan you should think about is plastic. Because plastic have many benefits. It doesn't rust to start with. And it should have riffles. The riffles will help you to kind of be like a gold trap where the gold gets stuck. So the riffles are good. But you can as well use the smooth side. Whatever suits you, it's fine. Gold mining or gold panning is all about these ones. That's the gold. And the thing about gold is that gold will never ever oxidize. So you see the gold pieces quite clearly. And even if I move away, you will still see them. They are still there. And that's what we like so much about gold. So, if I take some sand, I put it in the pan and I mix it together. Now, the gold is very, very heavy, so it's very easy to rinse out the sand. Just like this. And you will see in a minute the gold. It stays. It's not a magic trick. It's all done by gravity. So, I have here for a showcase. Here is a stone. This is a regular stone I picked in the river. This is a 1 kilo. 1 kilo stone. Here is tungsten or wolfram. This is also 1 kilo. Tungsten have exactly the same density as gold, 19.32. So this is 1 kilo, and it's only half a deciliter. This one is half a liter. 1 kilo, 1 kilo, all right? And now when I take the stone and I put it under water, half a kilo goes away because it's heavy. And it takes away the water. This one is 1 kilo, but I put it under water and now it's 950 grams. So the gold is twice as heavy as the stone underneath the water. The difference in air is 1 to 10, but the difference in water is 1 to 20. So water have very many benefits that we use when we do gold panning. So I'm going to show you. I take a pan and I shovel up some dirt, roughly about 1 scoop, put it in the pan, and then I take 1 gold piece here. Do you see it? Mm-hmm. And I put it in the pan. And now I'm going to show you how easy it is to wash away the sand and to keep the gold. And it's not magic, because the gold is 10 times heavier than the sand underwater. So I start with taking in some water, shake it. And this one is very, very important that you shake it thoroughly. First time for at least 20 seconds. And I shake everything, and not just like this, because I want to hear the water, the sand, moving in the pan. I want it to be in suspension properly. And then, as I shake it, I tip it forward to the edge, and then I rinse away the sand. Like this, and I rinse it. Shake it and rinse it. So shake it, and rinse it. And I do this about 5 times, and then I make a restart. Shake it all down, take it up to the edge, and I rinse it. And to do a full pan should take you roughly about 5 minutes. And don't stress yourself. And many people get are you really sure my gold piece is there? Yes, relax. It is so heavy it goes to the bottom immediately. Up to the edge, stop right there and rinse it out. Here and rinse it out. Sometimes they are bigger stones, but we just remove them by hand. So normally I use my fingers as a rake, take away the stones, up to the edge, stop right there, and I rinse it. And as I get less and less material, I rinse it more carefully. Nice and easy. About 5 times. I do a restart, shake everything down, shake it a little bit better, a little bit more, making sure all the gold stays in the pan, and then I rinse it. And if you have really small size micro gold, you need to be a little bit more careful, a little bit more meticulous when you do the panning. But here we have gold which is about 1 millimeter in size, so you can be quite rough. And you see the riffles which are in the pan? We do the panning over the riffles because the riffle acts like gravity traps, holding back the gold, letting go of the sand and the stones. And we continue until we have so little sand left that we can actually see 5 piles here. Nice and easy. And now we are done. Now we're going to do the fine panning. The fine panning is done differently. Then we take in a lot of water, roughly about 1 liter. We shake it all down so it becomes like a half moon here. Taking away the biggest stones, making sure that they are not yellow. Then we keep them. Could be gold. We shake it down. What we have done in this pan where we teach gold panning is we have made a line here, and we explained that you should have 1 liter of water and 1 tablespoon of sand. And now we go to the beach. So this is the ocean, this is the beach, and we make a wave. So the water is cleaning the beach, taking away the sand, and after a while you will see the black sand coming there. This is the black sand. The black sand is heavy, and in or under the black sand you will see the gold piece. Now the gold is already on the side coming up there. And don't worry, because the gold will stay and the black sand will go away. And you can see there is even some small pieces there. Nice and gently. The big gold piece is on your right hand side. There is a small gold piece on the left hand side. And we just continue nice and easy, cleaning away the black sand, leaving only the gold upside. And then we rinse away this, like that. We take a bottle, any kind of bottle will do. Unscrew the cap, fill up the bottle with water, so it's completely full. I take my finger, dry it off on the cloth, place it on the gold piece, it's there, and let it go in the water. And then to make sure, I rinse my finger in the pan, and I take the small one there. There were actually 2 tiny small ones, and I put them there because every gold piece counts. And then put it there and you will see it. It's safe in the bottle. And now we are ready to go down here, and we do digging wherever we like. And you are much welcome to come here and try it for yourself. And I can guarantee you, you will find gold and you will get gold fever. That's guaranteed.